So the difference between polarity and non-polarity breakers basically are, you have to look at the signs at the breaker itself. So this is a DC non-polarity breaker from YRO, very well built. So they had to have these to extend the arc even further in connection. So let's take it off. First of all, you will have to look if there's any signage of a flow of the current, the positive or the negative. So it's not really positive and negative, it's the flow of the current. If it was positive here and negative there, the flow of the current will come in from the positive, it will go through there, and then the flow of the current from source to load. So this was your source, the solar panels, it would come in here and it will go out there. So the non-polarity breakers are basically, you can either put it this side, that side, this side, that side. So if it was a positive and a negative there, the flow of the current from the panels would rather be that your positive will go here, so the flow will go through it. But yeah, that was on the other video. But first of all, look for any signage on the positive and the negative. Here you will see the non-polarity breakers will show you it's either positive or negative. These signage all means something that there's no diode in it. So, and also that there's a chamber in that. That's also a video on its own. So look at the breaker, look at the positive and negative signage. Basically, and like I said, it's not really positive, negative, it's the flow of the current. Look at the breaker, they will clearly show it. When they're non-polarity breakers, they won't show it away because it's more expensive, it's a better design. There as well, look at the certification, go look at the code, see if the certification is valid. There you will get all your things. So this is a class A from YRO. There it will also show positive, negative to the load, doesn't matter. And there it also says it's non-polarity breaker. So let me quickly show you the polarity breakers. I don't have polarity breakers with me. Another thing is, a good thing is take a small washer, see if there's any magnet in there, if there was a magnet in there. But yeah, go to the OEMs and search for their codes. Make sure you'll see no magnet on this one. So non-polarity breakers, you can put it either way. It's got a arc chamber in it, so during disconnect this is safe. There's no reverse current, there's no flow of the current, so it can go either way, won't have any problem. The polarity breakers, just to make sure again, so the flow of the current, if you switch it off, instead of pushing the arc away, it will push it inwards, and that's why they are so dangerous and they ignite.
Now remember, it's wired in reverse polarity, so instead of trying to extinguish the arc, it's going to have a failure. And you can see very quickly we have a major issue.